Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up motion detection and smart events on your NVR. By configuring specific monitoring areas and event types, you can capture the moments that truly matter, reduce unnecessary recordings, and maximize your storage. Let's get started. First, let's configure the basic motion detection. To begin, open the web interface and log into the NVR with your username and password. Next, go to the settings page and click Setup, Alarm, Motion to access the motion detection settings. Since we're only using one camera in this demo, there's no need to select a channel. By default, the entire image is under detection. If you only want to monitor a specific area, click Clear All to remove the default coverage, then draw your custom detection zone. Once done, click Save to apply the settings. Here you can see the sensitivity slider. The higher the sensitivity, the more movements will be detected, so you can adjust it as needed. Then go to Arming Schedule. By default, the NVR records continuously 24/7. If you only want motion detection during certain hours, just click Unarmed to clear the default, then select Armed. Draw your preferred time period and save it. Finally, go to Trigger Actions to set what happens when motion is detected, for example, enabling linked recording for easier playback later. If your camera supports smart functions, you can also configure smart events for more accurate and efficient monitoring. Let's take cross-line detection as an example. Go to Smart, Find, Cross-Line Detection, check to enable it, and click the settings icon. First, draw a line across the area. You can set the direction to A to B, meaning the alarm will only be triggered when someone crosses the line from A to B. Next, adjust the target size range. Maximum size, large enough to cover something like a truck. Minimum size, small enough to filter out pets or small animals, reducing false alarms. In the Object Target section, you can also select human or vehicle detection to further improve accuracy. Then, click Save to apply the settings. For the Arming Schedule and Trigger Action sections, the configuration is the same as in basic motion detection. You can adjust them according to your actual monitoring needs. Since we've enabled smart detection, let's see how to use Smart Search during playback to quickly find key footage. There are two simple ways. The first method is from the main menu. Click Smart, then choose VCA Search to open the settings page. For example, if you want to search for vehicles, click Motor Vehicle Search. Then, under Event Type, select the type of event you want to search for, such as cross-line detection. After that, click Search, and all the recordings triggered by this event will appear. You can then click on the target to replay the clip and review what happened at that time. The second method is through the Playback. At the main menu, click Playback, then choose Event and VCA. Find Cross-Line Detection and select the target camera channel and the time range you want to review. Next, click Search. On the results page, the target events will be highlighted in red on the timeline. All you need to do is drag the progress bar to one of the red segments and click play to watch the footage and see exactly what happened. By using these two methods, you can quickly review important events around your home or business and stay on top of your security.